Welcome to this tutorial about EXIF Remover. Here's how to remove hidden data from your photos before sharing them anywhere. Go to ExifInjector.com, click Tools, then select EXIF Remover. Drag and drop your image, or click to browse. Now you have two options. Option 1, Full Wipe, remove everything, all EXIF data, all IPTC data, all XMP data, GPS, camera info, timestamps, serial numbers, everything. The image looks identical, but the hidden data is completely gone. Use this before posting on forums, dating apps, or anywhere public. Option 2, Selective Removal. Strip only the sensitive fields, GPS location, device serial number, timestamps, but keep the useful metadata, copyright, creator name, keywords, perfect for photographers who want privacy without losing their editorial tags. Choose your option, click Remove, done. Download your clean image. The file looks exactly the same quality, same resolution, same colors, but the invisible data trail is erased. You can also batch process. Upload multiple images, strip them all at once, download a clean zip, 5 seconds, free, no account needed, ExifInjector.com.